are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you ready about this interview?
Yes, of course, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start it. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Hafiz, as hiring manager at JTK company. In advance, it's a pleasure to meet you. Will, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you in advance. Nice to meet you too. Introducing myself, my name is Zahwa Putri Hamida. I am a final year student at Politeknik Negeri Bandung, majoring in informatic engineering.
Wow, you're from Politeknik Negeri Bandung, right? That's amazing. Then what is your greatest strength for?
Of course, to be able to apply for this job, my greatest strengths are problem solving, critical thinking, taking initiative, and the ability to collaborate with a team.
Okay, so what are you best person for this job?
I feel that I fit the criteria that your company needs in that position because last year I interned at an IT company with other interns to work on a project. At that time, I act as a system analyst who must be able to identify the application system to be created and be able to evaluate the result of the work made in accordance with the design in the application design document. In addition, I have knowledge of the software development lifecycle and Scrum.
Oh, really? That's great. Do you prefer to work independently or in a team?
I really enjoy collaborating with a team and brainstorming ideas, but that doesn't mean I can work independently to get things one. Uh, For the most part, I prefer working independently in order to meet my deadlines, but enjoy collaborating in a group to spark fresh new ideas.
Yeah. And what do you like doing in the spare time?
In my spare time, I usually read novels, listen to songs, and sometimes I'm sing. And sometimes I also practice reading English text to get used to it and become fluent in pronunciation.
Excellent. Next question is how do you handle stress and pressure in your work?
I am able to remain composed and make logical decisions by maintaining by focus and being aware of my schedule and deadlines. Stress, it turns out, may be a really powerful motivator. I have discovered how to use pressure to maintain a focus on my work and ensure that I do all required ahead of schedule.
Okay, the last question. What are your goals for the next 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to be an industry expert that other can turn to for ideas, uh, help and help and strategies. In addition, I want to gain too much work experience as possible and would like to start a wedding organizer company and a food business with my college.
Okay, great. I hope what you hope can be realized. Before I end this, is there anything you would like to ask?
No, I think it's enough.
One more thing, after this quiz, allow 5 to 7 days to get a follow-up for us regarding the result of today's interviews.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the opportunity.
My pleasure. You're welcome. Thank you, Zahwa.
You're welcome. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Are you ready for the interview today?
Yes, Miss, I'm ready.
Let me first introduce myself. My name is Zahwa as the hiring manager at this company. In advance, it's a pleasure to meet you. Well, can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, thank you. I introduce my name is Hafiz Azhar. I'm a final year student at Politeknik Negeri Bandung and majoring in informatics engineering.
Wow, you are from Politeknik Negeri Bandung? That's amazing. What are you interested in this position?
I'm interested in this position as a back-end developer because I believe that my skill and experience can significantly contribute to your company. I have 1 year experience in building complex and scalable web application using PHP, Java, and JavaScript. And also, I'm familiar with relational database like MySQL and MongoDB. I'm also always up to date with the last trend in back-end technology, and I am always eager to learn and improve with my skill.
Wow, great. Okay, next question. What are your strengths and weakness?
Okay, my strengths, number one, is I have a strong problem solving skill, and I always strive to find the best, most effective solution. Number two, I have a good communication skill and I can work efficiently with teams. Number three, I have a strong work ethic and always strive to complete tasks on time and with the best quality. And my weakness is I sometimes focus too much on detail and I need to learn to delegate tasks more.
Okay, the next question. Do you have a salary expectation maybe in this job?
My salary expectation is 5 millions or 6 millions. And the salary in line with my skills and experience. I'm also open to negotiation salary based on your offers.
So what are your career goals?
My career goal is become an experienced and reliable backend developer, and I want to continue learning and improving my skill and want to contribute to development and innovative and useful web application.
And why do you think you are good fit for this company?
Okay, I believe that I'm a good fit for this company because I have the skills and experience required for this position. I also share the same passion in this company in developing high quality web application. I'm confident that I contribute to significantly to this company and I want to be a part of innovative and creative team.
And do you have that is relevant experience to this position?
I have 1 year of experience building complex and scalable web application using PHP and Java for backend developers. And I Laravel and Spring Boot framework experience. Apart from that's my experience is I'm involved in product and project as full stack developer. For the product, I work on web application called Socha. And the project was Ecomsys, both with were the main application of the company where I worked before. I also have experience working with a team and completing project on time and with the best quality.
Great. I hope that your hope for can be realized. Before I end this interview, is there anything you would like to ask to me?
No more.
Oh, one more thing. After this, please allow 5 to 7 days to get a follow up from us regarding the result of today's interview.
Okay, maybe it's enough. Thank you for the opportunity.
My pleasure. You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.